Imagine a world without smartphones. A time when the idea of carrying a powerful computer in your pocket was pure science fiction. No internet, no computers. Information was not at our fingertips. Instead, we relied on radios, televisions, and libraries to stay informed and entertained. This was life just a few decades ago. People wrote letters by hand, carefully choosing their words. They waited weeks for a reply, savoring the anticipation. Long-distance calls were expensive, reserved for special occasions. News traveled slowly, often days or weeks after events occurred. Doctors relied on limited tools and physical records. Education meant attending physical classrooms with chalkboards and textbooks as the primary resources. Entertainment involved books, board games, and outdoor activities. Families spent time together, playing and reading. Life was different. It was simpler perhaps, but also more connected in a personal way, but it lacked the speed and reach of today's technology. The digital boom has transformed our lives, making information and communication instant and ubiquitous. Technology has revolutionized communication, transforming the way we interact with each other on a daily basis. We can talk to anyone, anywhere instantly, breaking down geographical barriers and making the world feel smaller and more connected. Social media connects us with friends and family across the globe, allowing us to share moments and memories in real time. Video calls bridge distances, making us feel closer than ever before, whether it's for personal or professional reasons. Instant messaging has replaced traditional texting, offering a faster and more efficient way to communicate. Businesses use online platforms for meetings and conferences, enhancing productivity and enabling remote work. The world has become interconnected, fostering collaboration and understanding across borders and creating a global community that works together seamlessly. Healthcare has been transformed by technology. Doctors can now diagnose and treat patients remotely using telemedicine. Wearable devices track our health, providing valuable data. Medical research benefits from advanced computing power. New treatments and cures are being discovered at an unprecedented rate. Technology empowers individuals to take control of their health, leading to longer, healthier lives. While technology offers incredible benefits, it also presents challenges. Cybersecurity threats loom large. Misinformation spreads rapidly online. The digital age has brought us closer together, yet it has also made us more vulnerable to new forms of deception and fraud. Every click, every share, and every like can have far-reaching consequences that we might not immediately see. Excessive screen time can negatively impact mental and physical health. From eye strain and poor posture to anxiety and depression, the effects are wide-ranging. Children in particular are at risk as they grow up in a world dominated by screens. It's crucial to use technology responsibly. Setting boundaries and taking regular breaks can help mitigate some of these negative effects. Families can benefit from establishing screen time limits to ensure a healthier balance. We must be critical thinkers, always questioning the information we encounter online. In an era where fake news can spread like wildfire, developing a habit of fact-checking and seeking out reliable sources is more important than ever. Questioning the information we encounter online is a vital skill. It helps us navigate the vast sea of data and misinformation, ensuring that we make informed decisions. Balancing our digital lives with real-world interactions is essential for our well-being. Engaging in face-to-face conversations, spending time outdoors, and disconnecting from our devices can significantly improve our mental health and relationships. Technology is a powerful tool capable of transforming our lives in countless ways. It can enhance our productivity, provide access to education, and revolutionize healthcare. But its impact depends on how we choose to use it. By making mindful decisions and prioritizing our well-being, we can harness the benefits of technology while minimizing its drawbacks.